Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a journey that's all about smiles, science, and a lot of studying. How to become a dentist in the Philippines. If you've ever dreamed of wearing that white coat, handling those tiny mirrors and drills, and literally creating brighter smiles every day, then this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step. First things first. Before you even step into dentistry proper, you have to survive senior high school. Here, you'll want to choose the right track. The best strand? STEM. That's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM equips you with the foundation you'll need for the heavy science subjects ahead, like biology, chemistry, and physics. Sure, other tracks can still get you to dentistry, but trust me, STEM makes the future struggle a tiny bit easier. Next stop, college. You'll need to complete a pre-dentistry program, usually a 2-year course. Think of it as a crash course on everything your future dentist self needs: general biology, organic chemistry, anatomy and physiology, biochemistry, and psychology. Some schools offer a dedicated pre-dentistry course, while others combine it with your Doctor of Dental Medicine degree. Either way, you cannot skip this step. It's like trying to build a house without a foundation. Now here's where it gets serious. The Doctor of Dental Medicine program, or DMD. This is usually a 6-year program in total, including the pre-dent part. In DMD, you'll go through 2 phases. First, basic medical and dental sciences, where you learn about the human body, diseases, oral structures, and the science behind dental care. Then, clinical training, where you finally get your hands dirty, well, with gloves on, practicing dental procedures on real patients under supervision. Expect subjects like prosthodontics, orthodontics, periodontics, oral surgery, and pediatric dentistry. Plus, a lot of hours in dental laboratories, clinics, and community dental missions. After earning your DMD degree, you're not a licensed dentist yet. You need to pass the Philippine Dentist Licensure Examination, administered by the Professional Regulation Commission, or PRC. The board exam actually has 2 parts: the theoretical phase, which is a written test on all your dental subjects, and the practical phase, where you demonstrate your clinical skills right in front of examiners. It's intense, it's nerve-wracking, but if you've trained well, you're definitely ready for it. Once you pass, congratulations! You'll attend an oath-taking ceremony, get your PRC ID, and finally be called a Doctor of Dental Medicine, or DMD. You're now licensed to practice dentistry anywhere in the Philippines. But wait, it doesn't stop there. If you want to specialize, you can pursue postgraduate studies in fields like oral surgery, orthodontics, periodontics, or prosthodontics. Each specialization usually takes another few years of study, certifications, and, yeah, even more training. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even go abroad for more advanced degrees and certifications. So is it a long journey? Absolutely. Is it worth it? If you're passionate about helping people, improving health, and crafting beautiful smiles, 100% yes. Being a dentist is more than just fixing teeth. It's about improving lives, one smile at a time. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your future dentist friends. Stay passionate, keep smiling, and I'll see you on the next video.